What's going on out there, YouTube? Again, this is jacqueswake from True Online Wealth. And the topic of this video today is a highly popular program called the $20 Cash Machine. The $20 Cash Machine has been around about 3 to 4 years. People love this program. I know I love it. Uh, You get $20 payments to your mailbox. Depends on how you market it. This program pays $20 payments, 4 levels deep. The 5th level goes to the monitor, of course. This program, I love this program. This program has been really good to me over the years, receiving $20 payments. And it's only going to cost you $40 to get started. Normally it will cost $100, but as you can see, I have 3 free spaces right there on my flyer. So you only got to pay $40 to get in. And you're going to get a marketing kit. You're going to get these camera ready flyers. Also, you're going to get the lower level for free as well, and that's the $10 cash machine. So you're going to get the $20 cash machine, the $10 cash machine, all for $40. I mean, you just can't beat that. And I mean, the 20 and the $10 cash machines are very popular. So if you've never been in mail order, they're the perfect excuse me, they're the perfect programs to get your feet wet in mail order. Or if you're already in mail order, already doing online stuff, this could be a great addition to what you're already doing. So I mean, I just love it. It's nothing like getting $20 payments. All you got to do is mail your flyers out daily or weekly on a consistent basis and get your downline people that join you to do the same thing you doing. And before you know it, you got hundreds or maybe thousands or tens of thousands of flyers out there in circulation working for you. All of them, you got a chance to make $20 a pop. So, like I say, it's normally would be $100, but I got 3 free spaces, so you only got to pay 40, me 20, the monitor 20. You're gonna get your marketing kit. You're gonna get the $20 cash machine and the $10 cash machine free. So you have $20 and $10 payments coming to you all the time. And then when people join you, you're gonna move to position 2 and 3 and 4. And that's what you call massive leverage. And that is extremely powerful. Free money. So this program is amazing. I know for a fact that it is. And it's only $40. Normally it will cost $100. Then on top of that, you're gonna get the $10 cash machine free. And you're gonna get a marketing kit to teach you how to make money with mail order. So with that being said, click on the link below to my new blog. And then when you get to my blog, click on the mail order programs tab. And you can see the other stuff that I got going on that's in mail order. And I also promote online programs too. I've been doing this now for 11 years. So, just go by my blog, click on the mail order programs tab, and you definitely want to subscribe to my channel. And to the right, hit that notification bell. And remember, nothing happens if you don't take action. Y'all have a good day. I'm signing out. Peace.